Welcome to this video on Introduction to SQL. In this session, we will cover what SQL is, why it is important, and how it helps in managing and querying databases. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will give you a solid foundation in SQL. Let us get started. SQL or Structured Query Language is a powerful language used to manage and manipulate databases. It helps us store, retrieve, and organize data efficiently. SQL is used in relational databases, meaning data is stored in structured tables with relationships. With SQL, we can quickly fetch the required data using simple queries, making it an essential skill for developers, data analysts, and IT professionals. SQL is important because almost every application today requires a database. Whether it is a small website, a mobile app, or a large-scale enterprise system, SQL helps in storing and retrieving data efficiently. It is widely used in web development, mobile applications, and data science. If you are working as a backend developer, database administrator, or even a data analyst, SQL is a must-have skill. SQL is not just limited to one database system. It is used in multiple database management systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and SQLite. While each system may have some variations in syntax, the core SQL commands remain the same across all platforms. SQL provides a set of simple but powerful commands to interact with a database. The select statement retrieves data, while insert allows us to add new records. We can modify existing records using update and remove them with delete. Additionally, we use create to make new tables and databases and alter to modify existing ones. These commands form the foundation of SQL. SQL is everywhere. Websites use SQL databases for storing user data and authentication. E-commerce platforms rely on SQL for managing products, orders, and customer details. Banks use SQL to handle transactions securely, while social media sites store billions of user interactions in SQL databases. Additionally, data analysts use SQL to extract insights from massive datasets, making it a crucial tool in decision making. If you are wondering whether you should learn SQL, the answer is yes. SQL is easy to learn, highly in demand, and used in various fields. It integrates well with the programming languages like Python, Java, and C#. Learning SQL can open career opportunities in web development, data analysis, and even cybersecurity. Mastering SQL can be your first step towards a rewarding tech career. To summarize, SQL is a powerful language used to manage relational databases. It helps to retrieve and organize data efficiently, making it a critical tool in many industries. The basic SQL commands allow us to store, modify, and access data easily. If you are looking to enhance your career in tech, learning SQL is a great start. That's it for today's introduction to SQL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching.